Lava has a very powerful database, and we can take a look at how we now can edit it even easier. So if we go to the hold downs here, we've just added some tools within this to help you edit it. First tool is this filter here that helps us group the items on the left. So you've always been able to sort these by clicking on the group. You'll see the sort is going alphabetically, but I also now can drill down to just that group. So for example, I can go to HDUEs and look at these hold downs listed in this group. They're all turned to yes, or most of them, but what I can easily do is turn them off, all of them quickly, update all of them to no, and then I can come in and select just a few of the ones that I want to use. So I can use maybe a few of these, and using my keystrokes to select with my control or shift, I can turn these to yes and update just those to be the yes. Now I'm selecting only those in my database. You can go through all the different groupings to find the ones that you may want to turn on and off, or go straight to all of them. And you'll also notice that you have lots of different categories. So you're now seeing here these categories: 1 pour, 2.5 KSI, and that's for the concrete hold downs connecting here to this type of hold down. You also have different varieties of conditions within that, which may have varying values for capacity. So I can jump into that, but I also can go straight to 16-inch floor to floor, which is a common one. And you can see this is different types here, so we can quickly set all of these to, for example, no, update all of them to no, and then just pick the ones that are important to me, and doing things like sorting them or drilling down to just the ones that I'm interested in. So just the bolt ones here I could see, but if I'm on an upper level, to me maybe that's most important is to go to the coil strap ones, find the ones that I'm interested in, turn those on, and I can turn them on individually as I go. So apply just that one. Yes, I like to use the CS20, maybe the CS14, collect those, and I can scroll down the list to pick the ones that are important. Lastly, if you'd like to go in and edit and make additional straps or hold downs into this database, the best way to do that is to use our preset undefined items in here. These allow you to customize whatever you want. In order to make full changes to the database, besides just turning on yes and changing the group, you will want to go into the settings, preferences, reset, and then you can temporarily unlock the whole database, and that will give you the ability to type inside of here a new hold down, and you can type in hold down number 111 and give it a framing listing, as well as you can go into the values that are important to you here. It just resorts because I actually gave it a name, so it's going to be coming into this one right here, this new hold down, and you can you can enter in your values for your ASD earthquake as well as your ASD wind. So if you could total it 1,000, for example, here, and 1,000 for here, and you will want to give it a stiffness in kip per inch. Once you've finished all of that, it is very important that you push save. Save this as a new project, and let's just call this test 111 or 222, and you will be able to do that. Also, one thing I noted here, I didn't turn it on, so I will want to make sure it is turned on in there. So I will get rid of that name, and I'll say update selection, and it will be turned to yes. Now I should be able to see this in my shear walls when I start to design them. Thank you so much for your attention today, and looking forward to all the new uses of your database. Thanks for watching the video, and check out more on lavabuild.com.